What's up, guys? Today is Friday, 426. Happy 426, guys. Today Dodge just released the price of the brand new 426 Hemi engine. We're gonna see right now. We're gonna get some information to see exact amount that this crate is gonna cost you. Don't forget, guys, that's 1,000 horsepower, 950 full pound of torque. So that's a lot of horsepower for a crate. Like I said, guys, stay tuned. And like I said, bro, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Today is Friday, like I told you guys earlier. Also today it's going on that we're going to have a Srt-La meet. We're gonna meeting up in East LA. I'll be having some footage of the meet later on. Right now I'm going to get a haircut, bro, guys, and after that I have to take my truck to the car wash because it's really dirty. I haven't washed it in a while. I've been working too much, so I don't really have time to take it to the car wash. So stay tuned, guys. What do you guys think? Fresh and clean? Hell yeah, getting ready for the SRT meet today, guys. Right now we're gonna be heading to the car wash. I always go to my friend's car wash because I don't know, I just like to chill over there, you know. He does a pretty good job. City of Maywood, if you guys need a car wash, Atlantic and 57, Sandy's car wash. I recommend you guys. As for Jose, he's gonna take care of you guys. Just tell him Durango guys send you and he'll hook you guys up. Alright, so we're gonna start driving over there, guys. And before I forget, thank you guys for all the subscribers, for all the love, for all the hours that you guys been putting on my channel. I'm really amazed, guys, because I never thought this was gonna be you know, this little journey about the YouTube thing was gonna be, it's really good, you know, because I'm amazed because like I have a bunch of views already, bunch of hours of views. You know, I'm just in shock, guys. You know, thank you guys. I don't want to cry, guys, but thank you guys, and stay tuned. Team SRT for the win.
Don't wanna complicate ya.
So guys, this is gonna be the before video. So as you can see, it's really dirty. So this is the after video. This is how they left my truck. This is the other video of my truck. Look at the shine. I'm telling you guys, right there on Sunny's Car Wash, City of Maywood, Atlantic and 57, it does a pretty good job. And we're back, guys. Team SRT.
Okay. See, that's what I'm doing. Okay. So this is different than the
Yeah, I just thought like there's a spot on my house, on my window. I just found it. Too. I just pulled up to put gas and all the gas. And I was like, oh shit, pretty close.
We have the badge, Jeep SRT, SRT10 Viper truck. Sorry about that, rookie driver. You see the boom boom? Huh? You see the boom boom? You see the boom boom? What's up, guys? It's already 2 in the morning. We're barely getting home. Today was a successful day. We went, I got a haircut, I washed my truck, we went to the SRT meet. Then after there, we went to watch the new Avengers movie, End of Game. I recommend it to you guys. Now it's time to go to sleep. Going home already because I gotta work tomorrow. Don't forget, guys, I'm gonna get information about the 426 crate engine for you guys, and I'll be sharing it with you guys tomorrow. And yeah, guys, thank you. Subscribe, share it, like it. I'm gonna be trying to upload videos more often because it's almost gonna be a month in my other video. The kids had already sleep. It's already late. Stay tuned, guys. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna talk about the new 426 engine that Hemi just released. Here's some information of what we have, right? So I know it's a 426 cubic inches 7.0. It's 1,000 horsepower, 950 foot-pound of torque. This 1,000 horsepower, you could accomplish it by pumping 93 octane gas. This is the engine from Dodge. It's bored out on a stroke to a rounded down 426 cubic inches, while the Elephant engine inhales through the Hellcat's 92 millimeter throttle body. Its blower is designed to work with a 105 millimeter throttle body. Also, we have learned that the engine it's running more than 1,000 horsepower on racing fuel. Plus, the good thing about this engine, it's aluminum block. It's like 100 pounds lighter than the regular iron blocks. Also, this same block was used on the Challenger drag pack. Yes, guys, this same block, aluminum block, was used on the Dodge Challenger drag pack. One more thing that this is like really cool. The heads from this aluminum block are shared with the Demon. Yes, guys, I know they're shared with the Demon. And this engine revs all the way to 7,000 RPMs. Yes, that's crazy, huh? You know, my truck revs, I think I had revved all the way to 5.5, if I'm not wrong. Yes, guys, this engine is really crazy. So with that being said, I have the price right here. The price for this magnificent engine, it's $29.95, and then you can add up a kit that they call it the Elephant engine kit. You know, this is an easy plug and play kit. This is only for 2,265 more. I would definitely buy it, you know, for my truck. But like right now, I don't have the funds, you know, to pay for it pretty much. But hopefully down the road in the future, you know, with all the help from you guys, you know, for all the viewers that I have on YouTube, we never know, you know, we never know, you know. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for supporting my channel. You know, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like it, share it, and like I told you guys, it's been hard for me to be posting videos often because I've been working a lot, but I'll try to do my best. Alright, guys, 16van _ Srt-392. Alright, you guys can add me up on Instagram as well with the same name, you know, 1SIKVAN _ Srt-392. Stay tuned, guys.